displacement going on. So you'll see that this here is supposed to be the same as that, but it's not, and that is because I'm using this turbulence with texture displacement. So just follow this if you want to use that. I mean, this, let's see, you would usually go about it like that instead, just these two guys really. But since I wanted to keep this area here, I had to create a mask and duplicate the texture. So here's the weight map. So this polygon here has a weight map of 100%. So I invert that. And then, so weight invert, texture, and distortion. And then is weight and texture. So that will create this. So that way I keep the original texture here, while this here is distorted. So it helps slightly in terms of breaking up the surface. Let's see if so. Yeah, this one is the distorted one, so I'm just wondering if I can rotate this slightly to also well, have a slight distortion. Let's see. Yeah, so I can do that as well, and that will help. So I basically got two different ones now. So distorted with rotation and the regular one. Let's try -4. It's a bit hard to, to know exactly what the perfect value is. Just, just test. Go back and forth. And see if you find something that is all right. Okay. I don't think this is not 100%, but I'll just leave it. So if I set that to 100, I mean 0, then there's 0 distortion. Okay, anyway, so another thing I could do is I could take this top here, I could copy it, and I could, because I want to have some, I want to blend two of these guys. So I'll just rotate this guy here 180. what I'll do next is I'll add a procedural, but I'm just going to use an alpha really. So by doing that, I can blend, or I can make more of a blend really between those two layers, and it just loosens or it makes the ceiling look well, more calm, I guess is the word. I don't know if you want to, let's see. Again, it's difficult to know exactly what value to use. I think maybe something like that. Okay, whatever. Anyway, just a method to create some small tweaks. Let's just turn off let's go back to the original just to so that you can see the difference really. So is it worth it? Sometimes. Was it worth it in this case? Maybe not. I think the ceiling, so this is, yeah, the ceiling mixing the two, or mixing the same texture with a procedural actually worked perhaps the best. So yeah, and you could also mix, you know, mix more, use the same method for the wall here as you did for the ceiling also, so you could have a texture behind here. So that would be this one behind here, and I'll mix it with an alpha. Anyway, it works okay. Texture distortion is sometimes fantastic, and sometimes it's okay.